I am Cass and this is my channel, Comfy Foods by Cass. I am making a veggie stir fry. For the vegetarian stir fry, we need julienne vegetables. You can use any vegetables of your choice. I'm using carrots, baby marrows, green beans, sweet potatoes and butternut, as well as broccoli and baby corn, bean sprouts as well. For the spices, I'm using paprika, sweet basil, parsley, Italian herbs, salt, pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. Let's switch on the stove. I'm going to set it to medium high just to heat up the oil, and then we can increase it. So coat your wok or a deep frying pan with your oil, and we're going to let it heat up quickly. The oil has heated up. Let us toss in our vegetables. I've increased the heat to maximum on my stove. We're going to add in all of our vegetables. And toss it. I'm going to let it cook up a bit before I add my spices, because when it's a little bit cooked, it's going to absorb the spices a little bit better. The vegetables are slowly softening, so let's add in the seasoning to spice it up a little more. Let's add a little pepper, about half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of paprika, and reduce it a little bit to medium heat. So we're going to add some parsley, as much as you want, about quarter teaspoon of sweet basil, half a teaspoon of Italian herbs. Going to toss it up. You want the flavors to go to every part of the vegetable. At this stage, you can add any sauce you'd like. You can add chili sauce, soy sauce, sesame seed, oil, or dressing. You can choose what you want to add. The stir-fried vegetables is almost done. By reducing the heat, it's going to slowly cook a little bit more without burning at the bottom of the wok. The spices are going to blend in nicely and not stick to the wok. Let's check the salt if it's fine. It needs a little bit more salt. It should be fine now. Leave it for 2 minutes and then it's done. The stir fried is ready and we can plate it now. So here is the vegetable stir fry with spicy soya sesame seeds noodles. I'm going to put the soya sauce on it. Now it's ready to be eaten. I hope you enjoyed viewing this video on my channel, Comfy Foods by Cass.